Hi everyone. I know this is a very unusual time for me to upload, but I just wanted to let you know that my immunology playlist is finally complete. It is available on my YouTube channel and you can use it to study immunology, and you can use it alongside my PDF, which is also available under the description of each of those videos and also under the description of my channel, right? So this is the playlist, right? So you can see all of the lectures are available, right? So there are going to be around 23 lectures, right? So there are 23 lectures over here, and all of them are available on the playlist, right? So I've tried to make these lectures as short as possible, right? With the longest one, I believe, being only 45 minutes. Yeah, so that's immunodeficiencies. And this has taken me a long time, right? So I believe I first uploaded, yeah, on 25th March 2026. So that was my first video on this channel, and now it is 15th August 2026, right? So a long time has passed, and now the good thing is that I have already told you guys that you need to study from Immuno first, right? So the good thing is now the Immuno playlist and the Immuno PDF, both of them are available, so you can use them for your studies and you can just get started with step one as soon as possible, right? So I am also working on the general pathology section. In the PDF it is available, but obviously the lectures are not there. I'll be working on them. And another update that I wanted to give you is that I am currently working on the hematology and oncology section, right? And I just initiated it, so obviously it will take me some time and I have to uh, squeeze it into my schedule. It will be a slow process, but hopefully in the upcoming 3 or 4 months, that will also be done. So you can also have a heme and onc section in your PDF, right? So everyone, enjoy, right? It has been a really great time with all of you. I just noticed that I had 900 subs and they are still increasing. So please share this channel with anyone who's preparing for step one, or even planning for step one, and share it with them. And also please do like, subscribe, and comment for feedback. I will really need it. And if there are any inaccuracies or if there's anything that you want to ask regarding step one, it can be regarding a concept that you don't understand, it can be regarding a process in the registration for USMLE step one, anything related to it, I'm always here. You can always ask me. You can DM me on Instagram. A lot of you guys also have my WhatsApp number, I believe, and you can also comment down on my videos and I will be very happy to answer all of your questions. So everyone, have a good night.